वो मेरे देश की धरती।
पद्मा देखो इसको।
Hey, what's up guys, I'm back with another video and welcome back to my channel. So today the plan is we'll go to Cherrapunjee to our waterfall, that's Wei Sawdong, and I'm here with my friends, the Iton and the Baleno. So we'll be having our breakfast right now and so we have stopped here for a pee break before reaching Cherapunjee, before entering Cherapunjee. So yeah, here's my friend Avilas. You want to say something in front of the camera? कुछ बोलो भाई।
अरे सूख गया रे, गाड़ी में बैठ के बहुत दूर है अभी भी, और कम से कम 45+ किलोमीटर तो होगा ही भाई।
Means another 30 minutes or so. So yeah, have a look. I'll try to fly my drone as soon as possible. So 5 kilometers before the waterfall, we have stopped here to take a drone shot in this valley. So I hope you guys will like it. 5 more kilometers of off-road. The roads are not in the best condition.
Running away in the end of the night, you took my hand and showed me that it's right here, right now. I'm talking about the things we could be, sitting down in empty streets. And I said, I just want to be right here, right now. Can you see that we older? Can you see that we own nothing more?
वो मेरे देश की धरती।
Copyright लगी दे।
वो मेरे देश की धरती को कॉपीराइट लगे बे।
You know I need you too. Can you see that I've always wanted you? So help me that way. On the first night I met you, I knew. Running away in the early morning, the lampposts are still on. Your smell is on my skin.
So finally we have reached the Waterfall Falls in Cherapunjee. So Wei Sawdong is around 1.5 kilometers from here. Yeah, I tried to fly my drone in here. So just tell me how was the footage of it. And let me give a view of the Waterfall Falls. So finally we made it to Wei Sawdong Waterfalls.
I also made it with him.
Ticket कितना बा?
30 per head.
30 per head. So this is the road to the waterfall. क्या बोलेगा ना वो? किसका किसका फट रहा है बोलो, हाथ उठाओ. अबे वाटरफॉल सब ऐसे की बे? पद्मा देखो इसको. बोल बोल बोल. अबे चल ना.
Let's go.
So from here the deadly road begins. That view, man, worth it. Seriously. Rahul, hey, hey.
Hey, I'm a rescuer. Thanks to Rahul. So we got the drone back. Don't know about its condition, but it's back.
We have to put this.
And we're happy that it's back.
Rice pack.
Thanks to Rahul, the rescuer.
So guys, a great incident happened with me a few minutes back. Like I crashed my drone above the waterfall there. If I have the footage, I'll show you guys. I'm not in the mood to shoot right now. Yes. Kept my drone to dry up here. I hope you can see the scratches. How about the scratch? After all, wait. I don't know if it will work anymore.
Hello people, our friend Bhaskar just survived a mini heart attack moments ago. He crashed his drone in the waterfall, so he's not in a very jolly mood to talk right now. So I'm here to end this video. Do watch, like, comment, and if you really like it, subscribe.
So we just climbed the trek and here is Bhaskar Driven Ladies. He's wasted.
আমি গুটে কেজনে আপোনালোক ভিউয়াৰ্সৰ কাৰণে ইমান কষ্ট কৰিলো তাৰ কাৰণে আপোনালোকে আমাৰ কষ্টটো লাইক কৰিব চেনেলটো সাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰিব আৰু আমাৰ যদি কষ্টখিনি এপ্ৰিচিয়েট কৰে তেতিয়া হলে শেয়াৰ কৰিব সায়নাৰা চাও